everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prime Video app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Prime Video and you will click here in this page. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Prime Video. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support